Welcome to all of my wonderful subscribers and viewers, wherever you are in this great, big, beautiful world. Today, I am cooking some butter garlic salmon served with some asparagus, and I have about 300 grams of wild caught pink salmon, which I'm going to season now. Okay, I'm going to put a pinch of salt, just a pinch of salt, because I am watching my sodium intake. As you know that salmon is good for you, omega-3 fatty acid. And here we have some black pepper, sprinkling of black pepper. And some garlic powder. And over here we have 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic and half of a squeezed lemon. I have 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil heating up. Okay, now this is all seasoned. I'm going to go ahead now and start frying the salmon. Okay, I think the oil is heated, so I'm going to go ahead now and add the salmon. And I'm going to leave this for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to come back and turn it. Okay, while the salmon is cooking, I am going to get ready the asparagus. They're washed, and the woody part is all chopped off. So I am going to pat dry the asparagus. You can leave yours to air dry if you want. Sometimes I air dry, sometimes I pat dry, depending on how I am for time. It has been 3 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and turn the salmon now. Oh yeah, that is gorgeous. Okay, I have 2 cups of water boiling, and I'm adding in a pinch of salt, just a pinch of salt. Now I am gonna put in the asparagus. And I am going to leave them for about 4 minutes to cook. Okay, the salmon is about done now. So I'm going to take them out, put in the plate, and make the sauce. Okay, let's check. Perfect. See? Perfect. 4 minutes. Okay, so in the same pot, I'm going to add, this is about a tablespoon and a half of unsalted butter. And I added a bit more of the olive oil. Okay, I'm going to add a bit of garlic powder. Bit more black pepper. And a pinch of thyme leaves. Yep, about that much. I'm going to leave this for a few minutes. Adding in the chopped garlic. Wow, the smell of the garlic is awesome. I love garlic. As you know, that garlic has medicinal purposes. Adding in the lemon juice. Okay, I'm going to add in the salmon now. Wow, this is awesome. I wish you were here to smell it or to taste it. Isn't this beautiful? Look at it. I'm going to leave it for a few minutes and then I'll be right back. Okay, there we have it. Garlic, butter, salmon, served with steamed asparagus. You know that I'm all about eating healthily, so please try this awesome recipe. It tastes really nice. If you are new to my channel and you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Share with your friends and family. Have a great day wherever you are, and I will see you next time.